I'll show you a just 3-minute workout with some great exercises that you can do at home to lose weight and trim down your body fat. Spare just 3 minutes from your busy life to get healthy, fit, and smart. So let's start losing that fat. Exercise 1. While being seated on the chair with both your hands on the sides of your body, raise your left leg and bring your knee towards your chest and your right hand forward. Do the same for opposite sides and do it quickly. It will look as if you're running or jogging. Do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. It will trim down your tummy and strengthen your leg muscles. Exercise 2. Sit on the chair and do a skipping-like movement with your hands and feet. Move your hands in a circular motion and raise both your feet at the same time as if you are rope skipping. This exercise will strengthen your shoulders and arms and thighs and calf muscles. It will help in flattening your tummy. Do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. Exercise 3. While being seated on a chair, bring each of your feet up one by one and take your left foot with right hand and right foot with left hand. Do this exercise quickly like this. This will strengthen your legs and arms and tone them. Do this exercise for 5 minutes. Exercise 4. Sit on the chair straight and put your hands on your thighs. Then start bending towards left side and touch the ground with your left hand and then back up. Then bend towards your right side and touch the ground with your right hand, then back up. This exercise is specially designed to tone down your love handles. This will also strengthen your back. Do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. Exercise 5. Stand at the back of the chair and put your hands on it. Start bending your right knee and bring your foot up and down like this. Do the same with your left leg. This is a great exercise for strengthening your leg muscles. It also tones down your tummy. Do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. Exercise 6. Sit in front of the chair and put both your hands on the ground at the back of your body to support your back. Bend your knees and raise your legs together up to the height of the chair and move them to one side of the chair and then to the other side. Do this with your hips steady and touching the ground. This will help you flatten your tummy and sides of your tummy and strengthen your thigh and calf muscles and shoulders. Do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. Exercise 7. Sit in front of the chair with your hand at the ground at the back of your body. This will support your back. Bend your knees and move them to each side of the chair like this. Do this exercise in sets of 10 with 3 sets each. This exercise will strengthen your shoulders and calf muscles and trim your tummy. Add these exercises to your daily routine and do them regularly. I will see you in my next video. Bye!